In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter dividends in Xero. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable equity account set up so you can record dividend payments accurately and keep your reports tidy. Before we jump in, here's the context. Dividends are distributions of profit to owners or shareholders. In accounting terms, they reduce equity rather than count as an expense, so we'll create an equity account specifically for dividends. Make sure you have permission to manage the chart of accounts in your Xero organization. Start on your Xero dashboard. From the main menu, open the Accounting tab. This is where you'll find the tools that control your organization's financial setup and reporting. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This list is the backbone of your ledger. Every code here becomes a category you can post transactions to, and getting it right at the start saves messy fixes later. Now, click Add Account to create a new ledger line. A setup panel will appear with a few fields to complete. First, open the Account Type menu. This tells Xero how to treat the account in your financial statements. Select Equity. That's the correct classification for dividends because you're distributing retained profits and reducing owner's equity, not recording a business cost. Next, enter an account code. Codes help you and your team select the correct account quickly. Use a unique number that fits your organization's numbering scheme. Many businesses use 3 or 4-digit codes grouped by category. If you're unsure, pick the next available code within your equity range and keep it consistent with your existing structure. Avoid using a code that's already assigned to something else, and stick to numbers only if that's your convention. Then add the account name. A clear, straightforward name like dividends works well. If your business needs more clarity, say to distinguish dividends from drawings or distributions to different shareholder groups, use a slightly more descriptive name that matches your internal naming policy. The key is that anyone posting transactions will instantly recognize what belongs here. When you're happy with the type, code, and name, click Save. Xero will add the new account to your chart under the Equity section. You can confirm it by scanning the equity list or using the search bar. From now on, when you record a dividend payment, you'll be able to select this dividends account to keep those entries separate from expenses and operating activities. That's it. You've set up a dedicated equity account for dividends in Xero, which keeps your balance sheet accurate and your reporting clear. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, follow along for more quick, practical accounting walkthroughs.